Giovanna, where you from?
LaPorte, Texas.
LaPorte, Texas.
LaPorte.
Oh, LaPorte.
Yeah.
I get it wrong every week. Bear with me.
It's okay.
What song are you gonna perform for us tonight?
I'm gonna be singing "It Will Rain," no pun intended, by Bruno Mars.
All right. Round of applause.